Science teachers everywhere are wasting hours doing this manually. Every single week, K through 12 science teachers spend hours creating worksheets, differentiating assignments, writing quizzes, and answering repetitive student questions. They are also trying to make lessons more engaging. Most of that work can now be streamlined with AI ethically and responsibly. This is not about replacing teachers. It's about giving teachers their time back. Here's how science teachers can use AI to save 5 hours every single week while keeping learning authentic, rigorous, and student centered. First, lesson planning. Instead of spending an entire prep period brainstorming activities, teachers can use AI to generate lesson outlines, lab ideas, discussion questions, or real world science connections in seconds. For example, a teacher covering ecosystems could ask AI to create 3 hands-on activities for different grade levels. Or AI can generate examples tied to local environmental issues. The key is that the teacher still reviews, edits, and personalizes everything. AI becomes the assistant, not the decision maker. Second, differentiation. This is one of the biggest time saving opportunities. AI can quickly adapt the same content for advanced learners, English language learners, or students who need additional support. A complex article about climate change can be rewritten into simpler language without changing the core science concepts. Teachers can also generate multiple versions of practice questions or create scaffolds for students who need them. Instead of creating those materials manually from scratch, AI helps teachers do it in minutes. Third, assessment creation. AI can generate multiple choice questions, short answer prompts, vocabulary reviews, or CER style questions aligned to science standards. Teachers can ask for questions at different difficulty levels or request distractors that address common misconceptions. These are things that I do. Ethical use always matters here because teachers should always verify scientific accuracy and ensure assessments measure learning goals. AI can draft materials quickly, but professional judgment still matters. Fourth, feedback and communication. AI can help draft clear, professional responses or generate feedback templates teachers can customize for individual students. For example, instead of rewriting the same explanation about missing lab conclusions 20 times, a teacher can create a feedback bank and personalize it as needed. That alone can save hours each month. Fifth, engagement and creativity. AI can help generate experiment ideas, classroom simulations, project based learning prompts, science debate topics, or review games. Imagine asking AI to create a mystery disease outbreak scenario for a biology class or a Mars colony engineering challenge for physical science students. AI helps teachers spend less time building materials and more time facilitating meaningful learning experiences. But here's the important part: ethical AI use in education means teachers stay in control. Teachers should never upload sensitive student information into AI tools. They should fact check scientific content, monitor for bias, and use AI to support critical thinking, not replace it. Students also need transparency about when AI was used and how to evaluate AI generated information critically. Because in science education, accuracy and evidence matter. At the end of the day, AI is just a tool. A calculator did not replace math teachers, and Google did not replace research skills. AI will not replace great science teachers either, but it can reduce burnout and eliminate repetitive tasks. It can give teachers back valuable hours to connect with students, improve instruction, and most of all, enjoy teaching again. Science teachers already do one of the most important jobs in the world. Science teachers already work so hard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.